Hello everybody, this is Doug from Darkwater North. We're going to take a quick look at the Milwaukee pocket knife with a GNR glass reinforced GRN handle, glass reinforced nylon. A nice little pocket clip there, a wire one. It hangs on, it has this little indentation here to hold your pocket good. Some jimping on the little ramp here. It has a liner lock. And you can use it with one hand open because it has like a hole in the blade to pull it up. It's got a stone wash on the blade. It's a drop point with a hollow grind. And it's very affordable and so light you don't even know it's in your pocket. I think it's $12 online. So there you have it. Quick look at the Milwaukee utility pocket knife. It does have also a hole for a lanyard right there. So there you have it if you so desire. Lightweight and conveniently, you won't even know it's in your pocket. Okay, this is Doug from Darkwater North. Thanks for watching and have a great day.